Hi Richies, welcome back to another video. I know it's been like super long until I last uploaded, but what can I do? That's just me being silly. Completely forgot about this channel. But before I waste any time, I'm going to be introducing you to the video we're going to be doing today. So, don't know how I came up with this, but I thought I'm very extra on MSP. I dress my character very interestingly. So I was like, why not make a look that looks like me or similar to me? So first we're gonna change our face. I have brown eyes, light brown eyes. So that's what we're going to be using. Where are the eyes I always use? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna see if I have anything similar so I don't spend too much. Right, I don't know what has been going with me, but I'm like loving these Halloween eyes. Plus they're the perfect colors, so we're going to use them. Of course, that's not how my pupil looks, but it's fine. And I don't have any makeup. I don't have any nose piercings. And I, of course, don't have Voldemort's nose. I'll say this one is good. And I don't like having a lot of lipstick, and I don't wear makeup a lot of the time. So we're just gonna go for very... Okay, we're gonna go with this. This is an accurate face. My skin color is accurate to this, so gonna press OK. Alright. So now let's go shopping and find an outfit that truly represents me. Ugh, MSP is so laggy. Why, world, why? Sorry, if you are an MSP player, you gotta deal with this lag. I absolutely hate wearing dresses, skirts, or shorts. That's just something I don't like doing or wearing. Why did I say doing? Ooh, yes, I have a very similar robe to this, but it is blue. So why not incorporate that in the outfit? Since I always wear it, because where I live it is interestingly cold. Ah, the lag! I'm not patient. This is not okay. Oh boy. What am I gonna do with my life? Ah, show me the colors. Isn't it like kind of darker? Well, great. Okay. Now let's find a shirt to wear. Ooh. Dang it, MSB. Why do you have to be so laggy? Alright, this looks perfect. Now we need some pants. Done. I like leggings. Now we're on to hair. I have long hair. What is all that ruckus out there in my living room? Okay, so I have long hair. Kind of like, hold on, let me see how long this is. Do you hear my clicking? Do you hear how intensely I am clicking? Okay, yeah. You know what? This is kind of my hair length in real life, but plot twist, I always keep it in a ponytail. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have a ponytail on. I think this is accurate, actually. If I could equip the hair in color, change it, then it would be accurate. Okay, so I have dark brown hair, and it's like very messy, very messy. You guys, I'm just really struggling here. Okay, now we just need some socks. I'm waiting for the socks, but MSP is way too laggy. You know what, let me look at my socks right now. Yeah, I'm gonna just use these socks without even changing anything because I'm literally wearing the weirdest socks right now. Alright, let's make a look. Ugh, MSP is so laggy, it's truly killing me. No, it won't let me type. Are you serious, MSP? Okay, well, whatever. I'm not even going to try to refresh. That's how idiotic MSP is right now. I'm way too impatient for this. It literally took me 20 minutes just to color the hair. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and please comment that you forgive me that because I haven't uploaded in like, what, a year now? But yeah. Well, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to keep smiling, and I'll see you guys in a future video.